La Vie en Rose is the largest Canadian lingerie retailer. We have approximately about 155 stores across Canada. We have 60 stores internationally. It's a privately owned company, and I've been with La Vie en Rose for 8 years now, and my role there is to bring the correct technology tools within the right strategy and the vision of the company to just make everybody's life easier. Well, we use business objects. We use BI with SAP, and it's been a 3-year project. Started off when I joined La Vie en Rose, we ended up purchasing and stabilizing and buying a whole bunch of different applications where every business process was re-engineered in order to be more efficient and more productive, which is great because then each individual process is optimized. However, you need to merge information in order to be able to start looking at things differently. And what we discovered in 2008 in the bi-weekly management business analysis meeting, that a lot of the people were taking humongous amounts of hours to produce these Excels from hell, I call, in order to start doing business decisions. So, in order to start being more efficient, what we needed to do is centralize all our data. So we did a 2-year project with this Montreal firm called Agile DSS, where we actually re-architectured all our data so that we could get what we needed now and also maybe later. We completely redid the architecture. We brought in all the data from all of the different applications. It's centralized, it's normalized, and then came BI tools. One vision, one truth, one language, which is pretty amazing, so that people around a table, whether any group, we were talking the same values, the data elements were the same, and so we were able to completely become more profitable as far as efficiency is concerned, because these mega Excel spreadsheets that took phenomenal hours to produce and support, because you have to think, these Excel spreadsheets needed support from IT department because they broke the link, they deleted it, they needed it restored, this column didn't work anymore, don't understand, you can just imagine. All of these got eliminated. Merging all of the different applications, one of the applications that we ended up merging is, of course, human resource planning, the traffic analysis, and the ERP information. What this has given us is the ability to finally give our sales operations people the necessary tools and information to make better sales operations decisions. We are now able to give every individual store a minimum of 4 peak periods that they need to concentrate on, that they are now able to know that if they put in the right people at those times, they're going to get the better sales than any other time. It's the sales with the greater margin. And that's what we've been able to identify. And we can identify those per day, per month. They really now know who to put in at what time. And we've been able to get some stores who have had difficulty reaching their sales budget. They're now finally able to see that they can do it. And it was just a question of having the right information. Vision is to take the information that we now have, which is PC enabled, to bring it to be mobility enabled. A lot of people in the company are executives and so forth, including myself. We usually run around with iPads now, or playbooks now, and our smartphones. And we want to stop lugging laptops. So in order to do that, we've got to bring in our BI, our dashboards into the mobility world. In doing that, we're going to start bringing in even more real-time information, which is also something else that we've started doing now with our stores.